This is lot E110.1, 1972 Corvette Coupe, 350 V8 with an automatic transmission. Odometer reads 26,203 miles. It is red, white, and blue over red. Same owner since 1977, and it's matching numbers. Factory AC. So it's got power steering, power windows, etc.